This week's tech tip is on the new Google Classroom feature. Previously, when you were scheduling assignments, you needed to schedule it for each class individually, and they have now changed it so that you can schedule it for multiple classes. So the first thing we'll do is go to classwork, and we will create a new assignment. So I am just going to do a fake assignment. And then I'm going to come over here to 4. And I'm going to check off each class that I want this assignment to go to. And then I need to go to, next to the assign button, there is an arrow pointing down, and I want to click schedule. So now you see each class you wanted to schedule that assignment for, and you can have different publishing dates, you can have different due dates, and you can even change the topic for each one.